In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all installed drivers on your computer. We'll walk through a few built-in tools in Windows that let you see exactly which drivers are installed, whether they're working properly, and where they're stored. This is really useful if you're troubleshooting hardware issues, preparing to update drivers, or just want a better overview of what's running behind the scenes on your system. First, let's start with Device Manager, which is the simplest way to view drivers for your hardware. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Then open it from the results. Here, you'll see a long list of hardware categories, like display adapters, network adapters, sound, video and game controllers, and more. Each category can be expanded by clicking the small arrow on its left. When you expand a category, you'll see the individual devices installed on your computer. To view the driver details for a specific device, right-click the device name and choose Properties. In the window that opens, go to the Driver tab. Here, you can see the driver provider, driver date, version, and a button labeled Driver Details. Clicking Driver Details shows you the actual driver files that Windows is using for that device. You can repeat this for any device category to get a sense of all the drivers installed for your hardware. Next, let's look at a more advanced tool called System Information. Press the Windows key again, type System Information, and open it. In the left pane, expand Components, and then click on items like Display, Sound Device, Network, and so on. Each section will list the related hardware and show driver details such as the file name, version, and location on your system. This view can be easier if you want a more text-based summary instead of clicking through multiple device properties in Device Manager. If you want a complete list of drivers in one place, you can use a built-in command line tool. Press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: driver query, and then press Enter. After a few moments, you'll see a table listing every driver installed on your system, along with its module name, description, and date. If you'd like to save this list for later, you can export it to a file. In the same command prompt window, type driver query b/fosv drivers.sv and press Enter. This creates a file called drivers.sv in your current user folder. You can open that file in Excel or any spreadsheet program to sort, filter, and search through your drivers more easily. By using Device Manager for individual devices, System Information for detailed component summaries, and the driver query command for a complete exported list, you'll have a clear picture of every installed driver on your computer.